How to use Shop app. Want to track all your online orders in one place? Here's how to use Shop app. So first, go ahead and access Shop app and sign in to your account. So you can create an account with your Apple account, Google account, or manually enter your email address and the password that you want to use for that account. And then once you're in, you'll get redirected into this section if you actually created an account on the website. So as you can see, once you click on this will take you into the explore section. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the items that you can buy on Shop app. These items are categorized according to where it belongs. And then once you click on this cart icon, you'll be able to view your cart. And then once you click on this exclusive offers icon, you'll be able to access the exclusive offers that ShopUp has for you. And then once you click on this heart icon, you'll be able to find your saved products. So you can also track your orders on Shop app. Shop automatically pulls tracking numbers from your email and show real-time delivery updates. Use Shop Pay for fast and secure checkout and even split payments into installments. Earn Shop Cash rewards and apply them at checkout for discounts on future orders. Browse personalized product feeds, save items, and shop directly from the app, and that's it. The Shop app makes tracking packages and shopping easier, faster, and more secure. And that is how you can basically use Shop app.